Welcome to your new creative playground. Now you can build your own photo editor and bring your ideas to life. No limits, no complicated tools, just an easy, fun, and powerful way to design the editor you've always wanted. Whether you're enhancing images, experimenting with filters, or creating unique visual effects, everything is just a few clicks away. Transform the way you edit photos and unlock endless possibilities. Let's have a look at our app architecture. We have some core components: front-end, back-end, layer system, text module, canvas workflow. As languages, the AI would use React, Fabric.js, Redux, FastAPI, Pillow, PyTorch, and more. Copy this text, go to getmocha.com, and paste into the prompt. The most important thing is to create the architecture of the app you are building in the beginning, because otherwise you will get stuck, as I was. I tried to add module after module, and the AI did not know how to fix it because it had to rebuild everything from scratch. I built the architecture with Grok 4. You don't need the paid subscription, but you can use any LLM model you like. I got a spinning loader instead of my app, but the AI can fix that easily. And here is our app. Let's test the upload image function. It is not working. Let's see the text function. It is working. Let's add another text. It's working. The layers are created correctly. The hidden layer is working, and let's try to delete the layer. Working. Nice. The opacity slider is also working. Okay, let's try to fix the upload image function. Now we can upload the image, but we still have that drop images here message in front of our image. We'll remove that in a second. Text still working, shapes working, but we will add a color scheme for shapes later. Let's see if we can drag and drop an image in our app. Working. I want to drag layers up and down, but it is not working. Every time the review window is refreshing, it is a best practice to quickly test all the functions you already have, because sometimes some of them stop working. Let's add an image. Everything is working fine. I want to add some more shapes and a color palette for shapes. Now we have 4 shapes, some default colors, and a custom color picker. Let's try all the shapes to see if they are working. Let's change the theme of this app. I want a dark theme. Really nice. We have an issue when we try to pick shapes and colors in the Shapes panel. It goes behind the canvas. I tried several times, and the AI did not know how to bring those functions above the canvas. If you manage to fix this issue, let me know in the comment section. Let's add some functions for text like fonts or size as well. Let's move the tools on the left side to see their behavior. The tools are looking better on the left side. Let's try the text functions, size and fonts. Let's add some color. The color scheme has the same issue. It is located somewhere behind. I think we can easily fix that by adding a slider on the left side.
We have the same issue with color when we try to add a shape.
I asked the AI to put the text options and colors above all container layers. Let's try to move the layers up and down to see if it is working.
It's working. Nice. Let's add some more layers to test. And it's working. Let's try to customize the color a little bit. I want to remove the space between rows and columns of squares. I think it's better to create a color palette. It's looking really nice. Let's add a reset button that clears the canvas. Now we have a reset canvas button. Let's add a function that adjusts the width and height of an image. I want to add width or height in real time. It's working. Let's lock the width or height because we want to add only width or height. Let's test the lock function. And it's working. Let's add some effects like brightness, contrast, blurriness. These functions get activated when I add an image. The brightness is working. The contrast is okay. Let's add some blur. And opacity is working as well. Nice. Let's see the filters. Firstly, let's reset the effects. There is a delay in response, but they are working. For emboss and sharpen effects, I think I should pick another photo, but we'll leave it as it is for now. Let's try to move the effect slider a little bit higher. It's a little hard to grab the adjustment slider. Let's make this smoother. Let's add some color to the photo effects tools. Now it's looking really nice. Let's add a red color for the reset button. Let's adjust the name of the uploaded photo in the layer panel because it exceeds the panel. I also added some color to the layer panel and it's looking really good. Let's add a slider to the tools panel on the left side. It's working. Let's add the same slider to the layer panel on the right. Let's add a brush function. Add some styles and brushes. The brushes are not working properly. Let's fix that. Pencil, circle, and spray are working properly. The pattern is not working. I want to choose what shape I want and stop creating it instantly when I hit the shape button. Let's add some icons and increase the size of titles for filter effects. The water, twirl, and ripple are not working properly. I tried several times to fix wave, twirl, and ripple effects, but didn't manage to do it. I think I should do that in a different video to allocate more time for these effects. Let me know in the comments if you want this kind of video. I want to decrease the size of filter items when I drag the slider on the left. It's okay for me. I want to display the shapes directly and remove the list in which they are displayed, and add another 10 shapes. Impressive. Let's add a rectangle with rounded corners. Let's add a function to rotate these shapes. Let's add a button that creates a background with the color we want. I also want a function that changes the size of text once it is created. Nice. That's it for today's video. What do you guys think about this platform? Do you find it useful? Or do you see potential improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next video.